I love this coffee mug, but it doesn't fit in my car, and that actually pushed me to design a solution. I've been 3D printing for a while now. And I realized something. I make a lot of cool stuff, but not everything I make solves a real problem. So I made a rule for myself. If it doesn't fix something that I deal with every day, I'm not printing it. This is my favorite coffee mug. I use it every single morning. But the second I get in my car, it becomes a problem. Most car cup holders are designed for disposable cups, not mugs you actually like. I could have bought a random cup holder extender, but I wanted something that felt intentional, something that fit my car and this mug specifically. So I started measuring the cup holder and then the mug and designing around stability. No tipping, no rattling, no sliding when I turn. The goal wasn't to make something flashy. It was to make something that I forget it was even there. My first version wasn't perfect. The top and the bottom measurements was different. The fit was just off. And it reminded me why useful prints take more thought than cool ones. Once I adjusted the measurements, everything changed. This is what I was after. It locks in, it doesn't move. And I can still grab my coffee with one hand. This is the difference between printing something cool and printing something useful. The biggest shift for me wasn't the design, it was the intention. When you start with a real problem, the design decisions make themselves. This started as a personal fix, but now I'm curious, would other people actually want this? If you got a mug that doesn't fit your car, drop the mug and the vehicle in the comments. From now on, every build on this channel has to solve a real problem. Well, I'm gonna say 90%. No, 95% of every build on this channel has to solve a problem. Let's see where that takes us. If this build was something that you like, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any other new ones. And I'll see you in the next one. Let's go make something else.